Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class, let's go for continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is 12th period of this chapter. In the last period, we were solving the problems in exercise number 3.7 and we are in fourth question. Today we shall try our best to finish off this chapter. Yeah, please go through the statement. It is very nice. Observe it. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. Horizontal arrangement, that is rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Then find the number of students in the class. We do not know that. So now let's go for finding. First, we shall write the data by going through this statement again, and you should keep on writing with me so that first you have to copy by pausing the video. Okay, now let's go for writing. Before that, just one information regarding this. Assume that there are some number of rows. This is first row, second row and third row. And here in each row, assume that there are 5 students. Could you tell total how many students are there in these 3 rows? Yes, very good, it is 3 5s are 15. See, 3 rows and in each row there are 5 students. So 3 into 5, it is 15. Clear? Here also, to find out the number of students in a class, you must know how many rows are there, one thing. And second thing, how many students are there in each row? Both are unknown. So let us go for assuming that. Here, I'll write data. Please write with me. Yes. The students of a class are made to stand in rows. As we do not know how many rows are there, let us write. Keep on writing with me. Let the number of rows in which students will stand, call it as X. Then how many students are there in each row? That is also unknown. Alright. The number of students in each row, call it as Y. Let it be Y. Clear? Then total number of students, X into Y. Number of rows into number of students in each row. Total number of students, that is equal to X into Y. Did you understand? Yes. Now, let's move on to the given statement. Here also they have given 2 cases. See that if 3 students are extra in a row. Here I'll write case 1. Please write with me. If 3 students are extra in a row, then if 3 students are extra in a row means, then how many rows are there? There are X number of rows. Then the number of students in each row. See that if 3 students are extra in a row, the number of students in each row, actually in each row Y is there. If 3 students are extra, we can write it as Y plus 3. Right? Hope that you have understood. Then there would be 1 row less. How many rows are there? Here, X number of rows. So, here I'll write. Then, there would be 1 row less. The total number of rows, X. 1 row is less means X minus 1. Then total number of students, X minus 1 into Y plus 3. Hope that you have understood. So, this is It is nothing but xy, total number of students. Here I'll write xy is equal to x minus 1 into y plus 3. Now let us go for simplifying that. Here I'll write, please write with me, xy, this is equal to, multiply, x into y, xy plus x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into y, minus y, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, xy, it cancelled. Is it not? Now 3x minus y, transfer minus 3 to the left hand side. It becomes plus 3. You may call it as equation 1. Hope that you have understood. Yeah. And you might have written up to here. Now we will move on to case 2. Here I'll write. Case 2, in that, please go through this one. If 3 students are extra in a row, here I'll write. Once I'll go through that. If 3 students are less in a row, here it was extra, but now it is 3 students less. I am going to write that. If 3 students are less in a row, then how many students are there in a row? Y. If 3 students are less, means we can write it as y minus 3. Did you understand? Yes. Then there would be two rows more. Then there would be 2 rows more. 2 rows more. How many rows are there? X. It increases by 2, means x plus 2. The total number of students, xy. Clear? Now xy is equal to, multiply x with both the terms. xy minus 3x plus 2y minus 6. xy get cancelled. Now transfer minus 3x to the left hand side. Becomes plus 3x plus 2y to the left hand side. Minus 2y. On the right hand side, keep that minus 6 as it is. Now you may call this as equation 2. Let's go for solving these 2 equations. How do you go for solving? Which method would you like to follow? Yes, we can move on to elimination method. Here I'll write calculation. Hope that you are writing with me. Yes. In calculation, by elimination method, we can write, see the coefficient of x in both the equations, it is same, hence I'll write it as it is. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Then 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 6. Change the sign. Minus, plus. They get cancelled. Minus y plus 2y. It is y. 3 plus 6. This is 9. Got it? Next, we will go for finding the value of x. So, let us substitute y is equal to 9 in one of these 2 equations. I will go for taking the first equation. It is 3x minus y is equal to 3. 3 into x minus, where y is 9, this is equal to 3. 3x is equal to 3 plus 9. Then 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 3. X equal to 4. Got it? You are going to find out the total number of students. It is nothing but xy, where x is 4, y is 9. 4 9s are 36. So we can write the conclusion that the total number of students in a class, therefore the number of students in a class, how much? Is 36. Followed? The first 4 questions are very important, particularly fourth one, third one and second one. In all these cases, we have used the product x and y, right? Yes, please go for copying. If not, yes, dear students, now let's move on to fifth one. Observe and start writing. It is in a triangle ABC, angle C is 3 times that of angle B, which is equal to 2 times that of A plus angle B. Find the 3 angles. If ABC is a triangle, then could you tell what are the angles? Angles are A, B and C. And we also know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle, how much it is? This is 180. It is quite common property that we use in any triangle. Yes, please start writing with me. Here, first I'll write a data. What has been given? Angle C equal to 3 times of B, which is equal to 2 times of A plus B. What does it mean? See, it means angle C may be equal to 3 times of angle B. Angle C is also equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Not only this, even angle 3 into angle B is equal to that. That is 3 into angle B. It is equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Got it? It's very simple. A equal to B equal to C. What is the meaning of this? A equal to B, A equal to C. Then B equal to C. B is already equal to A. Clear? In this way. Now, let's move on to calculation. As it is a triangle, we can go for using angle sum property of triangle. By angle sum property of triangle, we can write how? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. This is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Then observe here. To find out any one of the angle, there must be substitution for 2 angles. To find out A, we need substitution for B plus C. It is not there. To find out B, there must be A plus C. It is not there. To find out angle C, A plus B should be there. Yes, it has been given. That is 2 times of A plus B is equal to angle C. Got it? Then what about A plus B? A plus B is equal to, transpose this. It will be C by 2. Angle C by 2 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Did you understand? Very simple. It is because angle A plus B is equal to angle C by 2. Simplify this. This is 2 is the LCM. Angle C plus 2C is equal to 180 degree. Then I'll write here. What is angle C plus 2 times angle C? It is 3 times angle C. It is equal to 180 into 2 because of the cross multiplication. Hope that you are writing with me. You can cancel it. 3 ones are, 3 6 are, zeros are. Angle C is equal to 120 degree. Clear? Now we got angle C. Then we should find out angle A and B. Let's go for taking this statement. We know that angle C, where angle C is 3 times of angle B and its value is 120 degree. It is equal to 3 times of angle B. Now cancel it. B is equal to 120 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, zeros are. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. Clear? Next, we should find out angle A. How do you go for that? You may use either second statement or third statement. Let me go for using second statement. It is angle C is equal to 2 times of angle A plus angle B. Then what is angle C? This is 120 degree. It is equal to 2 times of, what is angle A? Angle A is unknown, whereas angle B is 40 degree. It is equal to, now cancel it. 1s are, 60 sir. It is equal to A plus 40 degree. Now angle A is equal to 60 degree. Transfer 40 to the left hand side, becomes minus 40 degree. It is equal to 20 degree. Yes. Therefore, the angles are here as well. Therefore, the angles of triangle ABC are, what is angle A? It is 20 degree. Angle B 40 degree, and angle C it is 120. What should be the sum of interior angles of a triangle? It should be 180 degree. Then just go for adding 20 plus 40 plus 120. 20 plus 40, 60. 60 plus 120, this is 180. Clear? Yes. Hope that you have already written. If not, copy this. Please go through this. 7th one and copy this. It is also important one. You can put star. Right. Draw the graphs of the equations 5x minus y equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. Hope that you might have written. If not completed, pause the video and complete this. Okay, now let's go for finding the coordinates of both the equations. Here I'll write. First equation is 5x minus y is equal to 5. In this, solve y. What is y? It is 5x, transfer minus 5 to the left hand side, becomes, plus 5, becomes minus 5. This is equal to y. Clear? Similarly, another one is, it is 3x minus y is equal to 3. Then 3x, transfer 3 to the left hand side, minus 3. This is equal to y. So here y is equal to 5x minus 5 and y is equal to 3x minus 3. Y is written in terms of x. Now let us go for finding the coordinate points of these two equations. Hence, let us go for drawing the table. Right. Calculation table. First column, it is for x. And second column, this is for y. That is, y is equal to 5x minus 5. Then third one is, it is coordinate points x comma y. Hope that you have drawn like this. Next, draw the horizontal line with scale and pencil. Next, substitute the values for x. When x is 0, y is equal to 5 into 0 minus 5. This is equal to, what is 5 into 0? 0. 0 minus 5? Minus 5. When x is 0, y is minus 5. Next, let's go for taking 1 in place of x. Yes, write with me. Y is equal to 5 into 1 minus 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5? 0. It is 1 comma 0. Next, I'll go for another one. Call it as 2. Y is equal to 5 into 2 minus 5. What is 5 twos are? 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. It is 2 comma 5. Yes, again you have to draw the line. 3 points are enough. Similarly, let us go for finding the coordinates of the equation. So it is y equal to 3x minus 3. Yes, start writing it. First you draw column for x-axis. Next column for y. Y is equal to 3x minus 3. Next, draw the line. Again, one more column, it is for ordered pair, nothing but x comma y. Yes. Here also you have to take substitution. When x is 0, then y is equal to 3 into 0 minus 3. 3 into 0, 0. 0 minus 3, minus 3. It is 0 comma minus 3. Next, when x is 1, y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, it is 0. It is 1 comma 0. Over. Let's move on to another one. Take 2. Y is equal to 3 into 2 minus 3. What is 3 2s are? 6. 6 minus 3, it is 3. It is 2 comma 3. Okay, 3 points are enough. Now you can go for naming these points as first this is A, this is B and this is C. This is P, Q and R. Hope that you have named it. Now let us go for drawing the graph. Just get ready for that. It is graph. Take a graph sheet and go for drawing x and y axis. Here I draw. And one more thing you can notice that all the points they belong to first quadrant except P, then A. So here I'll draw like this. First draw x-axis. Then and similarly draw y-axis, that is vertical line. Have you drawn? Then go on marking for equal distances. That is in graph sheet it has been given 1 centimeter one box. So here 1, 2. You should also keep on marking because we have already learnt it. You won't find it any difficulty in marking. Similarly on the right side of 0, again you just go on marking the points. In the same way, even you will move on to y-axis as well. In y-axis, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hope that you are marking. Similarly, below 0, just keep on marking for every unit distance. Here unit distance is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Nothing but one box. Ora? Yes. Then go for writing the numbers. So this is x-axis denoted as xo, x dash. Mark y-axis yo, y dash. Next, right side of 0 are positive. Go on writing the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side of 0 are negative. Start writing with me. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Above 0 are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Below 0 are negative. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now see that here 0 comma -5 is there. Here x is 0, y is -5. -5 that comes here. I'll mark this point as A. Next 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 means it is in the form of x comma 0. The point lies on x-axis. This is. It is B. Next 2 comma 5. When x is 2, y is 5. Here. This is C. Next PQR 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 it lies on y-axis. X is 0, y is -3. That comes here. This is P. Next, Q, 1 comma 0. This point only. R, 2 comma 3. When X is 2, Y is 3. This is. It is R. Now, let us go for joining. First A, B, C, then P, Q, R. Here, I'll join A, B, C. Just keep observing. A, B, it is B. A, B, and C. A, B, C. Let us join them. So this is the graph of the equation, first one. What is that? 5x minus y is equal to 5. Next, let us go for joining PQR. You are also drawing with me. PQR. See, this is R, this is Q, then this is P. Here I'll join PQR. Here, this is the equation, graph of the equation. 3x minus y is equal to 3. Okay? Yes. Now the graph is over, and without fail we have to write the scale. What is that scale? X-axis. In x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis, it is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Clear? Observe. Determine the coordinates of the triangle. Coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines with y-axis. See that? This is y-axis. These lines. This is the point of intersection. I am going to shade that. Followed. This is P. This is Q. You may take this as O. So, POQ, that is the triangle form. If you want, you can write B and Q here. Here write the triangle formed is, it is POQ. Then what are the vertices of this triangle? The vertices, here I'll write. The vertices are PO and Q. What is P? Coordinates of P. This is 0, comma minus 3 because the point is on y-axis. O, origin 0, comma 0. Then Q, it is on x-axis 1, comma 0. Even they may ask you to find out the area as well. Very simple. Half into base into height. Half into, for your reference only, area. Half into base. What is the base? 1 unit. Height 1, 2, 3. 3 units. It is 3 by 2. It is 1.5 square units. Clear? Yes. Hope that you might have finished with me. If not, you just go for copy and move on to the next question. Now we are moving to 7th May. Here also they are given important questions. All are important. So for this only, I will put star. See, solve the following pair of linear equations. Now in that first one, Px plus Qy equal to P minus Q, and second equation Qx minus Py equal to P plus Q. Okay, dear students, for this question also, you should keep on writing with me. Therefore, pausing the video, you have to copy. Then after that, you should start writing with me. Now, let's start writing. First, let Px minus Qy is equal to P minus Q. You may call it as equation 1. Then, Qx minus Py is equal to P plus Q. You may call it as equation 2. Which method would you like to follow? Let's go for elimination method. Here, by elimination method, we can write, see that equalize either coefficient of x or y. Let's go for Q1. Let us go for equalizing coefficient of y. So hence equation 1 should be multiplied by p and 2 should be multiplied by q. Here p into p, this is p square into x plus q into p, this is pq into y. Next p into p, p square minus q into p, it is p. Next multiply second equation by q, q into q, this is q square into x minus p into q, this is pq into y. It is equal to p into q, this is pq, and q into q, this is q square. Clear? Is it necessary to change the sign? No, because coefficient of y is same but opposite in sign. Hence you can go for cancel. Cancelled. Okay. Now you write. Here p square x plus q square x. Here you can take x as common factor. So p square plus q square into x. This is equal to, observe, pq minus pq plus pq get cancelled. Then p square plus q square. Then x is equal to p square plus q square divided by p square plus q square. Now could you tell the value of x? Yes, you are right. It is 1. Got it? Yeah. Now let us go for finding the value of y. So x value should be substituted in any one of these two equations. Right here. Substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1 only. Then px plus qy is equal to p minus q. This is first equation. Then p into, where x is 1, plus q into y, this is equal to p minus q. Now p plus q into y is equal to p minus q. Observe here, p and p get cancelled. You will get qy is equal to minus q. Y is equal to minus q by q. Y is equal to minus 1. X is 1, y is minus 1. Therefore, the solution is 1 comma minus 1. Yes. Hope that you have understood. We will move on to next problem. Please copy this. Now let's move on to second sub question. Please write. It is ax plus by equal to c, and second equation bx plus ay equal to 1 plus c. Hope that you have written. You can start writing with me. Here, let us go for solving these equations by elimination method only. Elimination method. Written up? Yes. Then you can assume let ax plus by is equal to c. Let it be equation 1. Then bx plus ay is equal to 1 plus c. You may call it as equation 2. Now equalize either coefficient of x or coefficient of y. This time let's go for x. Multiply equation 1 by b, equation 2 by a. Right? Start writing with a into b, it is ab into x. B into b, it is b square into y. C into b, this is bc. Next, multiply second equation by a. B into a, it is ab x plus a into a, this is a square y. Now 1 into a plus 1 into, c into a, it is ac. Change the sign. This is minus, 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 minus. abx minus abx get cancelled. Here b square y minus a square y. Alright, b square minus a square into y. This is equal to, here, bc minus a minus ac. Then y is equal to, how do you go for writing? It is bc minus a minus ac by b square minus a square. This is only y, because further simplification is not at all possible. Now let us go for substituting y in any one of these two equations to get x. Here I'll write, substitute y is equal to bc minus a minus ac whole divided by b square minus a square in equation 1. Equation 1 is, it is ax plus by is equal to c. Then a into x as it is plus b into y. What is y? This is bc minus a minus ac by b square minus a square. It is equal to c. Then how do you go for finding x? So let me write ax as it is and multiply b with all the terms. It is b square c minus ab minus abc whole divided by b square minus a square, which is equal to c. Then ax is equal to, it is c minus, transfer all these to the right hand side. It becomes b square c minus ab minus abc whole divided by b square minus a square. Let us simplify this. Yes, it is x is equal to, ax is equal to, take LCM. It is b square minus a square. Then it is c into b square minus a square minus b square c, here I'll write minus r, b square c minus ab minus abc. Then here I'll write ax, which is equal to, in the denominator b square minus a square as it is. Then multiply c into b square cb square, c into a square ca square. Start multiplying by minus sign. Minus b square c, minus into minus plus ab, minus into minus plus abc. Now observe here. Here b square c minus b square c get cancelled. Then ax is equal to, you can notice that remaining terms are minus ca square plus ab plus abc. Hence you can take a as common factor. Remaining minus ac plus b plus bc divided by b square minus a square. Here a and a get cancelled. Remaining x is equal to, it is b plus bc minus ac whole divided by b square minus a square. Therefore, the solution can be written as, what is x? X is b plus bc minus ac divided by b square minus a square, and y is, it is bc minus a minus ac by b square minus a square is the required solution. Yes. Hope that you have understood. If not written along with me, you just go for copying. If you have written, now we'll move on to the next one. Yes. Observe this third one and write. It is x by a minus y by b is equal to 0 is the first equation. And the next equation is ax plus by is equal to a square plus b square. Yes. Hope that you have written. Start writing with me. And you can notice that the first equation in the first equation the terms are in fraction. Hence we will go for simplifying it first. X by a minus y by b is equal to 0. Observe the denominator. A and b are there, take their LCM. It is AB. Multiply LCM with all the terms. When you multiply AB here to the first term, AA get cancelled, it becomes BX minus. Here BB get cancelled, becomes AY. This is equal to 0. Then BX minus AY is equal to 0 into AB. This is also 0. You may call it as equation 1. And next one is AX plus BY is equal to A square plus B square. You may call it as equation 2. Got it? Yes. Could you tell which method can be applied to find out X and Y? Yes. Let us go for elimination method. Please write with me. Elimination method. It is. How do you go for eliminating? You may go for eliminating either X or Y. Let's go for Y. So hence equation 1 should be multiplied by B. Equation 2 should be multiplied by A. Now B into B, it is B square. X. A into B, it is ABY. 0 into B, it is 0. Next. A into A, this is A square X plus B into A, ABY is equal to multiply A square with A, it is A cube. B square with A, it is AB square. Now no need to change the sign. The reason is coefficient of y in both the equation is same and opposite in sign. Hence they get cancelled. Here in the first term x is common factor, we can write it as b square plus a square into x, which is equal to, here I'll go for taking a as common factor. It is a square plus b square. Now see that a square plus b square get cancelled. You will get x equal to a. We got the value of x. Let's move on to finding y. How? By substituting x equal to a in any one of these two equations. Which one you will go for? Let us go for taking second equation, where second equation is ax plus by, which is equal to a square plus b square. Then a into what is x? It is a plus by. This is equal to a square plus b square. Now a into a square plus by is equal to a square plus b square. A square get cancelled. By is equal to b square will remain. Then y is equal to b square by b. B and square get cancelled. Y is equal to b. Then what is the conclusion? Conclusion is x is a and y is b. We can write, therefore the solution is a comma b. Clear? Okay. Hope that you might have written with me. If not, copy from there to here. Yes. Dear students, please go through that and write. It is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y, which is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Have you written first equation? Then write next equation. It is a plus b into x plus y, which is equal to a square plus b square. Hope that you have written. Now let us go for finding the solution. How do you go for? You can notice that here the terms in first equation, the terms are separate, but in second equation not. X and y are together. Let us go for separating. Here the first equation, write it as it is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. You may call it as equation 1. Write here let. Next, here the second equation, this is a plus b into x plus y, which is equal to a square plus b square. Now multiply x with this term, y with a plus b. So we can write it as a plus b into x plus a plus b into y, which is equal to a square plus b square. You may call this as equation 2. Clear? Then how do you go for solving x and y? Dear students, let's do one thing. Observe it. Here coefficient of x is a minus b, a plus b. Coefficient of y is a plus b, a plus b. So already coefficient of y is same. Hence we can go for cancelling directly. Anyhow, I'll rewrite by elimination method. Please write with me. Elimination method. Write the first equation as it is. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y, which is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Next, it is a plus b into x plus a plus b into y, which is equal to a square plus b square. Is it necessary to change the sign? Certainly. The reason is coefficient of y is same but not opposite in sign. Hence, call it as minus, this as minus, this as minus, even it is also minus. Y term get cancelled. Here, x is common factor, very important, a minus b. Now, consider this minus sign. Minus into a, minus into b, minus b into x, which is equal to, now a square minus a square get cancelled, minus 2ab as it is. Now see that minus b square and minus b square. What is minus b square minus b square? Minus 2b square. Now here plus a minus a get cancelled. Here minus b is there. You can write it as minus 2b into x. It is equal to, here what is common factor? Minus 2b. Minus 2, b and b. You will get a plus b. Minus 2b into a, minus 2ab. Minus 2b into b, minus 2b square. Now minus 2b get cancelled. Written up. What will remain? X equal to a plus b. I've got same. Let us find out y. Hence, we have to substitute x equal to a plus b in any one of the two equations. Let us go for taking the second equation. Alright, in 2. Where equation 2 is a plus b into x plus a plus b into y. It is equal to a square plus b square. A plus b into x. What is x? It is a plus b plus a plus b into y. This is equal to a square plus b square. Now a plus b into a plus b whole square. It is in the form of an identity. Expand it. It is a square plus b square plus 2a plus a plus b into y. Keep that as it is. It is equal to a square plus b square. A square get cancelled. B square get cancelled. Now a plus b into y, this is equal to, transfer 2ab to the right hand side, becomes minus 2ab. Then y is equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. Got it? Yes. We can write the solution. Therefore, the solution is, what is that? X is a plus b and y is minus 2ab by a plus b. These are important type. You must practice. Yes. Hope that you have written with me. Dear students, go through this fifth one. This is, and write also. 152 into x minus 378 into y, which is equal to minus 74. And the second equation, minus 378x plus 152 into y, which is equal to minus 604. Written? By observing the terms of these equations, what you can say? Yes, you are right. That is, the coefficients are interchanged in both the equations. See that 152 is the coefficient of x, that is also the coefficient of y in the next equation. minus 378 is the coefficient of y in first equation. This is also the coefficient of x in second equation. Which method you will go for? You may go for elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. But when you go for taking elimination, you will have to multiply first equation by 378 and second equation by 152. You find it difficult to, or means it consumes your time. Hence, to save our time, we can go for another method. I'll tell you that. It is when the coefficients of x and y in both the equations are interchanged, then we follow a method called addition subtraction method. Right? It is by addition subtraction method, also called AS method. Addition subtraction method. It has not been mentioned, but only for our reference we are writing so. Then how to do that? You first take both the equations. 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74. Next, minus 378x plus 152 into y, which is equal to minus 604. First you go for adding both of them. See that 152x minus 378x. Here greater number is minus 378, put minus sign as it is, then x as it is, 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 5, it is 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 226. Clear up? Similarly, here also, here minus, how much? It is y, 6, 2, 226. Then what about here? Here 8, 7 and 6, 678, minus 678. Clear up? And you can notice that this is 226, 226. This is 678. What is 200, 200, 200? 600, right? 26, 26, 26. It is 78, 678. So from this statement, we can come to know all the coefficients are the multiple of 226, right? Let us go for dividing both sides by minus 226. It will be plus x, this will be plus y, this will be, it is 3. You may call it as equation 1. Did you understand? Yes. Next, we will go for taking again the same equations. That is 152x minus 378y. It is equal to minus 74. Written up. Write the second equation. Minus 378x plus 152y, which is equal to minus 604. But as you are going to subtract, you will have to change the sign. So here minus is there, make it as plus. Plus is there, minus. Minus is there, this is plus. Yes, go for this. 152 plus 378. X as it is, 10, carry 1, 12, 31, 13, carry 1, it is 5. 530x. Next. Minus 378 minus 152. Minus y as it is 10, 13, carry 1, it is again 5, 530, which is equal to here minus 74 plus 604. Here 4 minus 4 is 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 5 will remain, 530 plus 530. And you can observe that all the terms are the multiples of 530. Hence, divide both sides by 530. Then this will be x, this is minus y, this is 1. You may call it as equation 2. Now, to find out the value of x, it is quite easier by using these two equations. Is it not? Yeah. Which method you will follow? You are right, by elimination method. Written up. Observe the coefficient of either x or y is same. Hence we can go for writing them directly. First equation is x plus y equal to 3. Second equation x minus y is equal to 1. Plus y minus y get cancelled. Then x plus x, 2x is equal to 3 plus 1. It is 4. Then x is equal to 4 by 2. X equal to, it is 2. Now substitute x equal to 2 in any one of the two equations. I will go for first one. First equation is x plus y is equal to 3, x is 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2. How much it is? This is 1. Then what is the conclusion? Therefore, the solution is x is 2, y is 1. Understood? Yes. Please go for copying. Mostly you might have written with me. If it is S, we will move on to the next question. Dear students, please go through this 8th one. The statement has been given like this. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. And they are given the figure of cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, pausing the video, please go for writing this completely. Afterwards, we will go for solving. Hope that you have finished. Now you observe it. Once you go through the given statement, it is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. To solve this problem, we must recall about cyclic quadrilateral. Recall that what is cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, you are right. If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, see that? Then we can say that it is cyclic quadrilateral. Here I am going to draw one more. You just keep observing. Here the vertices are A, this is B, and is C, this is D. Let us join A and B, then B to C, C to D, and D to A. Do you call this as cyclic quadrilateral? No. Why it is so? Yes, you are right. Because the vertex C does not lie on the circle. So, according to the definition of cyclic quadrilateral, all the vertices of quadrilateral must lie on the same circle. So, here in this case, in this figure, vertices A, B, C and D all lie on the same circle. Therefore, it is cyclic. Here, they have given the angles in terms of x and y. You just keep observing. Angle A, this is 4y plus 20. Angle B, 3y minus 5. Angle C, minus 4x. Angle D, minus 7x plus 5. Then how do you go for finding the values of or the measurement of these four angles? If they are given in numbers, it would have been very easier to find out. But here the angles are given in terms of variables. Hence, we need to find out variables, that is the values of x and y. How do you go for that? To find out that, we can go for using the property of a cyclic quadrilateral. Just I will give you the hint and try to recall that property. Here, I will take the angle A, similarly angle C. What type of angles are these two? See, these two are non-consecutive angles, right? What they are called? They are called opposite angles. Similarly, B and D, these two are opposite to each other. Then, what is that property? You are right. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. That means the sum of these opposite angles will be equal to 180 degree. We can go for using that. Yes, start writing with me. Solution. We know that the sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is how much? 180 degree. And right, we all know that angle A, it is opposite to angle C, and their sum, it will be 180 degree. And substitute these angles. Angle A is 4y plus 20. Yes, it is 4y plus 20. Angle C is minus 4x. This is equal to 180. Yes, we can go for simplifying this. I'll write 4y here, plus into minus 4x as it is. This is equal to 180. Transfer 20 to the right hand side. Becomes minus 20. 4y minus 4x as it is, which is equal to 180 minus 20, it is 160. And observe all the coefficients, 4, minus 4 and 160. What do you say about them? Yes, they are all the multiples of 4. Hence, we can go for dividing both sides by 4. Right? Then, yes, divide first term, 4y by 4. You will get y only. 4x by 4, x only. Then 160 by 4, how much? 4 ones are 4 fours are 16 and this is 0. It will be 14. This can be rewritten in the standard form as minus x plus y is equal to 40. You may call it as equation 1. Right? Yes. Now we will move on to another pair of opposite angles. What are these? Yes, they are B and D. Write with me. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. What is angle B? It is 3y minus 5. 3y minus 5 plus angle D. This is minus 7x plus 5. Alright, minus 7x plus 5, which is equal to 180. Let's go for simplifying. 3y minus 5 as it is and multiply all the terms by plus sign. So plus into minus, it is 7x. Plus into plus, it is 5, which is equal to 180. Then separate algebraic terms and constants. Then we can write algebraic terms as 3y and minus 7x, which is equal to 180. Here you can also observe that here we have minus 5 and plus 5, both get cancelled. Now you may call this as equation 2. Now we have got both the equations. Let us go for solving these equations. Which method would you like to use to solve them? Whether you go for elimination, substitution or cross multiplication? Yes, the best method is elimination. Let me write here. By elimination method. Then which one would you like to eliminate? Either x term or y term. Let us go for x term only. Here minus x plus y is equal to 40 and this is 3y minus 7x plus 180. This can be rewritten in standard form as minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180 by elimination method. Yes. Observe the coefficient of x in both. Here is minus 1, here is minus 7. Hence, we can go for multiplying equation 1 by 7. Right? Yes. 7 into minus 7 minus x, it is minus 7x. 7 into y, this is 7y, which is equal to 7 40s are 47s are 4 7s are 28 and 1 0. You can write it as it is. And the second equation is minus 7x plus 3y. This is equal to 180. Then coefficients of x, it is same but not in opposite side. Therefore, go for changing the sign. Here is minus, make it as plus. Here is plus, write it as minus. And here is plus, write it as minus. Consider these side only. What is minus 7x plus 7x? They get cancelled, it will be 0. Then 7y minus 3y. This is 4y. Then 280 minus 180. How much it will be? It is 100. Right? Here 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. Then y is equal to 100 by 4, cancel it. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 8, 2 will remain and it becomes 20, 4 fives are. So y is equal to 25. Then we should find out the value of x. So therefore substitute y is equal to 25 in any one of these two equations. Which one you will go for? Yes, the best equation is first equation. Why it is so? The reason is the coefficient of x and y in first equation is small. Alright, the first equation is minus x plus y, this is equal to 40. Then minus x, what is y? Y is 25. This is equal to 40. Then minus x which is equal to 40, transfer 25 to the right hand side, becomes minus 25. Then minus x is equal to 40 minus 25, this is 15. Then x is equal to minus 15. We got both the values of x and y, but what actually we are going to find out? Yes, you are right. We will find out all the four angles. I have less space there. I am going to write the remaining part here. Hope that you might have written up to there and continue from here. We are going to find out the values of all the four angles. The first angle is A. What it is? This is 4y plus 20. Substitute y value. What is y? This is 25. It is 25 plus 20. 25 fours are. This is 100. 100 plus 20, 120. Angle A, measurement of angle A is 120 degree. Clear? Hope that you have written this. Then let's move on to the second angle. That is angle B. Where angle B is 3y minus 5. It is 3 into what is y? Y is 25 minus 5. 25 threes are 75. 75 minus 5. This is 70. So measurement of angle B is 70 degree. Next, let's move on to find out the angle C. What is that angle C? Yes, it is minus 4x minus 4 into what is the value of x? See that it is minus 15. Now minus into minus 15. Sorry, minus into minus plus 15 fours are. This is 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. And the fourth angle is, this is D. D is minus 7x plus 5. Substitute. Minus 7 into, what is the value of x? This is minus 15 plus 5. This is equal to, now minus into minus plus 15 sevens are, this is 105 plus 5. Then what will be the sum? It is 110 degree. Angle D is 110 degree. So that we have found out all the four angles. Just cross that. Observe it. The four angles are 120 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree and again 110 degree. You have to check whether our solution is right. How do you go for checking? If we all know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. When you add all the four angles, what should be the sum? That should also be 360. Add this. 120 plus 70, it is 190. 190 plus 60, 250. 250 plus 110, this will be 360. So, I'll write the conclusion. Therefore, the four angles are, it is 120 degree, 70 degree, 60 degree and 110 degree. Hope that you all are copied with me. If not, then first you have to write this question, the statement this figure. After that, we have to start writing the solution from here. Go for this part, then find out the x and y values by elimination method. After all this, find out the angles. Clear? Yes. So with this, the exercise number 3.7 has been completed. Dear students, we have solved all types of questions that are given in NCERT. Even we have gone through some of the additional problems as well. In tomorrow's class, we will go for taking some more problems from the previous year question papers. Okay? Yes. Before concluding the class, let me tell you an important thing. That is, what all the problems we have solved today, all are very important in the examination point of view. Please do practice them today itself. Don't keep anything pending. Okay? With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.